What's up with you, baby? I'm back at your neck with another video. Today I got something quick and easy for you. We're making a cheesy chicken and broccoli pasta. Stick around, see how I did it. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're gonna be using. The only thing missing are the cheeses. We're gonna be using smoked Gouda and Colby Jack. Off to the side here, we have our chicken breasts, which are cut real thin. They're not gonna take long to cook at all. And then also, we have our broccoli. And we're gonna prep that before we start anything else. Now, with our broccoli, we're gonna cut off the big stem, and then we're gonna pull all the other pieces off. Now, you're gonna have some big pieces left after you do that. All we're gonna do is cut those into smaller pieces for the recipe. Now that we're done prepping our broccoli, we're gonna put them in a strainer, rinse them off, and put them to the side till we're ready to use them. Now we're gonna use a teaspoon of every ingredient you see here. You have your granulated garlic, your smoked paprika, your black pepper, your salt, and your ground cummin. And we're gonna mix that all together in a bowl, so that way when you're seasoning your chicken, the chicken gets a little bit of an equal amount of all of the ingredients. And now over to our pan, we're gonna go ahead and add some avocado oil. We're gonna use just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna add our chicken breast. We're gonna get a nice browning on each side. And like I said, this chicken was cut super thin. This is a quick recipe, so it won't take long to cook at all. Maybe about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And once your chicken is done, we're gonna go ahead and put it off to the side, cut them into smaller pieces for this pasta, and then start on our broccoli. And we're just gonna keep it simple for the broccoli. We're gonna add some salt, a tablespoon of butter, and our broccoli, and let it roll just like that. And we're gonna cook it until it's fork tender. We're not gonna cook it until it's real mushy. And we're gonna go ahead and drain the broccoli. Now this smoked Gouda with this Colby Jack combination is everything that you can ask for. We're gonna go ahead and shred equal amounts of both cheeses. Our chicken is done. Our broccoli is done. Now it's time to start on our pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cubes of chicken bouillon and a little bit of avocado oil. Once that comes to a boil, I'm gonna add the pasta. Now while that's going, we're gonna go ahead and start on our cheese sauce. We're gonna add 1 cup of water, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cube of chicken bouillon, which is equivalent to 1 teaspoon. We're gonna add some ground black pepper. We're gonna give that a mix. Once it comes up to temperature, we're gonna mix in our cheeses. And really, you don't have to shred your cheese. That's just how I like to do it because it melts quicker. Now, all that's left to do is to add the rest of the ingredients to the pot. Go ahead and add your pasta. Go ahead, add your broccoli. Add your chicken. And give that a nice stir. Go ahead and add just some more cheese. I shredded more, I added more. Now this is your preference on how much more you want. And once your cheese is all melted, we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, put a top on it, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then you're ready to serve. Go ahead, put you a couple scoops on a plate, get you a couple pieces of chicken, and it's ready to eat. Time to taste this thing.